Hello friends, just take a look at these interior designing images I just created. Using this AI tool, you can generate the interior designings of your house, renovation, or if you want to try some furniture or want to generate 3D plan of your 2D image, you can use this AI tool. So without waiting, quickly let's go to the tool and I'll show you how you can use this tool with live example. So first of all, you need to visit the tools website. You will find the tools link in the description as well. So go there and click on it. And let me tell you first that this tool is ideal for real estate brokers, architects, and photographers. So if you are one of them, then please continue watching the video. Now first let's see what this tool provides and what it works on. So here under the service section, you can see multiple options like e-cluttering and virtual staging, multi-view virtual staging, AI furniture editing, AI furniture replacing, day to dusk, 2D to 3D floor plan, photo enhancement, interior renovations, and vacant lot house. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some of the features I just mentioned. I'll work with you. I'll use the live example so you can also follow me and you can also create your ideal designs for your house. First, click on the options on the right side. And you can see now interior design dashboard is opening. On the left side, all the features are listed. So first, let's check the virtual staging feature. In the center, you will see a box where you need to upload your empty bedroom image. So I have already taken this image from my friend's house. So he just bought this house and I just say like, just give me your image and let me create some design for it. So we are going to use the same images for our demo purpose as well. Now let's scroll a bit down. Here you will see a notice box asking whether you want to remove existing furniture from the raw image or not. So if your image has a furniture, let's say if you are using your existing bedroom image and if you want to remove all the furniture first, then you can use this option. You can just turn this button on and you are good to go. Otherwise, just click on next. So after clicking next, you need to select a room type. As you can see, there are many options. And since my image is bedroom, I'll select a bedroom. Next to that, you need to select the furniture style. There are multiple styles like standard, modern, etc. You can choose according to your preference. I'm just going to select the modern as a style because I just want to see how does it look in my bedroom image. Now after selecting the style, just click on generate. And within few seconds, your fully furnished bedroom first image is ready. So now you can see the final result on your screen. So it took me 1 credit for generating 1 image. So we just saw our first AI generated interior designing image. Now let's say if I want to check my room from multiple angles, how does the different furnitures and interior will look, then there is a best option in this tool. We can upload 2 images and we can see an entire room from all the different angles. So how are we gonna do it? Let's check it out. For that, on the left side, you will find a multi-view staging feature. Click on it. In the center, you will see a box where you need to upload images of the room from different angles. At least you need to upload 2 images. Not the same images, but 2 different images from 2 different angles. So AI can understand how does your room look from different angles. So now upload all those images here. I'm just quickly uploading 1 more image. You can also upload more than 2 images. After uploading, click on next. If you want to remove all existing furniture from images, turn on this button. Otherwise, click next again. Now you can see there is an option for selecting the style and furniture. So if you want to change the style of your room, then you can change the style and select this option. We already selected modern as our style, so I just want to skip these both options and just click on generate. After a few moments, it will generate multiple angle views of our newly designed room. So let's see on your screen. So now you see, right, it looks really good. You can check from all the different angles. This is a new features and I really like it. So that's why I decided to have a demo using this tool. So now we have seen staging features using one image and using multiple images. So now let's move to the editing features. So in using this picture, we can create the 3D plan and we can also do our room interior renovations. So let's do it. For that, we have to go back to our main menu on the left side. Then click on My Photos, and after you click on it, you can see two options, Staging and Editing. So under Staging, you can see all our previous projects. So now this time, let's click on Editing. Now here you can see like 2D to 3D floor plan, day to dusk, photo enhancement, etc. So first let's click on 2D to 3D floor plan features. Now as soon as you click, a new panel will open. Now again in the center you will see a box where you need to upload your 2D floor plan image. So let me upload it quickly. After uploading, you will see some rendering options like include text and dimensions, add shadow and depth, and render as 3D view. You can select these based on your needs. So after selecting, click on render to 3D button. This is what I'm going to select. Within few minutes, your new 3D floor plan will be generated. And just take a look at before and after result on your screen. Isn't it amazing, right? So these are a latest modern AI tool for any kind of floor planning, interior designing, interior renovations, furniture try on. So use these AI features. It's very affordable and you can try it on your house before you go and purchase any kind of furnitures. So now let's move forward and click on interior renovation features. Once you click on it, a new panel will open. Again, process is same. You have to upload image you want to renovate. I have all the images from my friend's house. I'm just going to upload it. Do the same for your own room's images. After that, you have to select the room type, whether it is a bedroom, kitchen, or something else. Just do it quickly. And after that, again select the style in which you want the renovation. Finally, click on renovate room, and within few minutes you will get your newly renovated image. And just take a look at before and after result on your screen. So you now see all our different result on your screen, right? So I hope you like these interior designing tools, and specifically if you ask me, I like the multi-angle view of this tool. I hope you like this video and definitely learn how you can use this tool and enhance your interior designing for your living space. So if you learned something new, make sure you hit on like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends who are going to need these kind of AI tools. See you in the next one.